Okay, this is video number 2 of the Caille Auto Muto mutoscope. This is an original machine. Like I stated in video number 1, I'm going over a little bit more about what's original and what has been worked on this machine. I already went over the repair on this part of the casting right here, that crack that kind of goes down that way, but you really can't tell even from a couple of feet back that it's been repaired. Now the operation of the machine, you take a penny, drop it in the slot, then you take the handle on the side here, and you pull it down, let go, and the light's going to turn on the inside, and you're going to be able to view the stereopticon part. You get to view 12 cards for each penny that's inserted into the machine. There are different subject matters, and you can exchange the cards for whatever cards you would like to put in the machine. Beautiful working machine, excellent original condition, original top sign frame. The top sign itself has been replaced. It's behind a piece of glass. It says 12 stereopticon cards at a time. 1906 San Francisco earthquake, 1904 St. Louis World's Fair, the building of the Transcontinental Railroad, and Tsarist Russia. Now, those do not match the cards that are in the machine, but like I said, you can change the cards out very easily, and I'll go over all that in this video or the next. All original cast iron castings, nickel plated, everything. The side crank has been nickel plated and is beautifully polished. Same with the plate. Beautiful Coruscant oak woodwork. No major damage, like I said, except for the only damage that I would consider damage on this machine is this piece right here, which can be repaired. It's just a crack in the wood right there that stops about right there. And if you take it off, you can glue it back on there, or just push it back on there and put some glue in there and it'll be fine. I do not believe the locks or keys to be original to the machine. They are original type locks, but I believe they are later, and I believe this piece of trim right here has been replaced. It's been replaced to match, but you can see it's just a hair different color than the rest of the trim on there. Now I'll go over the rest of the machine in just a second. Let me set the camera back on the tripod over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace or remove that front door, and we'll go over what has been replaced, and we'll go over the mechanism on the inside. Like I said, the keys and locks are most likely not original to the machine, but are original type locks and keys, and they do work. Very heavy door. It's no wonder that someone dropped it. It's very heavy, cast iron. There's the mechanism. Let me put the door down. Actually, I'll go over the door right now. Cast iron, original eyepiece. You can see the repair right here. It was repaired very well, very nicely. Unfortunately, they did break the coin chute or coin drop, and they had to bypass it using a piece of sheet metal tubing, and it looks like they braze welded it to the original brass piece right there. Now, I went over the door on the pieces that I believe have been replaced, which is this piece, and this piece, and possibly part down here. That's about it for the door. I put that down. Now I'll run the mechanism again. Now this coin drop chute right here has been replaced. This is an aluminum coin drop chute. It looks like they used some of the original parts on it, but it is a later coin drop chute. You put the penny in the chute, pull the lever down, light turns on, and it starts turning the cards down. And back off for a second, and then zoom in on the original mechanism, all original. And you're going to see that lever touch that other lever and disengage the light bulb in just a second. And that's the end of the cycle. Now the mechanism base plate has the original marbling on it. It looks like it's been painted as marble. So that's the original paint. And here's the original tag on the inside that says machine number 888, which corresponds with the tag on the front 888. So this is an original machine, matching numbers. The wiring, like I said, has been redone, but original socket, original wiring harness or harness there, porcelain escutcheon, and the original mechanism. Now I'll open up the front door and show you that. I just need to grab the key out of the other door. Original type locks, not the original locks, original type. Door opens, original hardware. The lock, like I said, is probably not original. Show you right there. Original type lock though, but looks like it's had a couple screws replaced, and those are the original screws for the front casting, and that's where all the coins drop down to. Absolutely beautiful machine, fully mechanical, original, really an untouched machine. It's just beautiful. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us. Now I'll reassemble the machine real quickly. It's very simple. Just give me a second here. Close the front door. Got the key for the top door. What you do is you grab the door by the eyepiece right here when you're removing it, because it's got these two pins in here that lock into the top, and then the lock down here holds the bottom in. So you glide it in nicely, nice and easy. Turn it, turn the key, pull it out, and that's how the front plate locks onto the machine. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us, and please check out our other auctions as we're selling similar items. Thank you very much.